Okay, since this bus is a rear pusher, that means that the diesel engine is in the back, of course. And then it had cabin heaters in here. One was right there, and I've removed it. One was right there, and I've removed it. And the third one was right here. So then I took all of that stuff that was in the engine that ran up to here and removed it. I thought, man, that's a pretty good idea. I can just disconnect it at the engine. There actually is a couple of shut-off valves there as well, and I just shut this all down. Now, it's a good idea, but there is one little problem, and that is that same coolant and heat came clear up to the heater core in the front, and that's what gives you the heat in the front of the bus when you're driving. So that means that I'll have to run my heat either all the time when I'm driving from the house portion, or I have to reconnect that. And I haven't decided which I'm going to do. I wouldn't mind having all that space that comes up here, and I think that might work just fine. My plan is, what I'll probably do, because I'm going to have a ton of electricity anyway, because I'm using big batteries and big solar and big everything, so I think I'll be able to heat this electrically instead up here, which is probably what I'm going to do. That way I can go ahead and pull all of that 1-inch hose from the whole run clear to the front. So that's going to be my plan, I believe. What I'm going to do today is, there's this channel that all that hose sits in. It's this metal channel, and I'm going to pull all that up and pull the hoses out. So that's what my plan is today, and if I get that done, I think it'll be a pretty good day. All right, so that's it. All those are off. Gotta put them outside. Disconnect those, see if I can push them out to the engine compartment. Okay, so I have to clean this bus up enough so that I can think. So that's what I've done now. Now I can think while I'm sitting in here again. So that's where all that conduit came up today. Down here to just a couple of hoses from the motor. Got my tools all set back here on the tool rack, and the rest of the bus looks pretty clean.